The LOTOS MIG225SP Multi-Process Welder offers exceptional versatility with its 6-in-1 functionality, allowing users to effortlessly switch between different welding processes. Its user-friendly LED screen simplifies setup, enabling you to start welding in just a few steps and ensuring precise control with automatic parameter adjustments. The included aluminum spool gun is a standout feature, delivering high-quality aluminum welds and enhancing the machine's overall adaptability for various projects. With dual voltage capabilities, this welder is suitable for a wide range of materials and applications, from automotive repairs to metal fabrication. Safety is a priority with the LOTOS MIG225SP, as it comes equipped with features like thermal overload protection, making it ideal for both professionals and hobbyists. The welder's durable aluminum wire feeder ensures a stable and consistent welding experience, providing peace of mind for long-term use.